Oh, yeah.
Well, it's gonna go over the corner. Beep 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 beep.
Beep 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 beep.
Beep beep.
What's that say?
What?
Search for wait.
And search for double.
And search for incredible. Well, search no more. I'm right here. I'm incredible.
Beep 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 beep. That's so much fun to say, dude.
I know.
Ooh, that was fun. Isn't that much better with your wife? Almost have to put in chit chat, not. Not that go. Okay, I'm telling you, we're playing fucking pin the tail on the honky.
Pin the tail on the honky. That's gonna be interesting. Huh. Beep 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 beep. Are you guys really still on this conference call right here?
Yeah. You want our daughters to meet?
I'm recording you guys recording.
Why? Because. Okay. Nope. Her she must get. Well,
You are on recording, girl.
If you can't, then just let her figure it out. Let us, like I said, let us be the adults for me.
Beep beep beep
There's
beep.
no way I'm being an adult.
Beep 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 beep.
No way you're gonna be an adult right now.
Never.
My friends don't want to be adults right now.
Never that.
Nobody wants to be an adult.
I stay a kid.
You'll understand one day.
Yep. I'm all. I'm recording everything. I love you too.
She's cool as shit, dude.
Oh, she hung up already.
She really is, but she wants.
Hi, honey.
Beep 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 beep. Okay, this is the anti-Sean hour. Anti-Sean hour. Anti means no Sean.
Where?
No, she keeps talking about Sean. It's the anti-Sean hour. Anti-Sean hour. No anti, no Sean.
I don't know a Sean.
City of Lawndale. Why are the hot dogs on top of the fireplace? Because she's making hot dogs. Right on. See, that's why I fuck with you.
Where is he?
Because you're the hot dog maker. You be the hot dog maker.
I like the hot dogs.
So what do you got going on over
No,
here?
it tastes good. Tastes like good.
She's like, I got my plate. Leave me alone.
No, I already ate it. What the hell are you talking about?